गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल माई मेरे लगते जिगरो। बहुत मजे में हो गए सब लोग। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आर साइंस। हम लोग हमारा साइंस अब शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर इन साइंस, दैट इज द मैटर इन आर सराउंडिंग। ओके, सो what is the exact meaning of matter? What is its characteristics that all different topic related to this subject we will try to understand in this chapter. So first question has raised that what is matter? So you see children, in your surroundings so many things are there. Okay, there is a river, there are mountains, there are small dust particles, stone, plant, varieties of food material, clothes. Okay, so many things are there, and each and everything has made up with a specific material. Okay, so whatever is in your surrounding, that all things we can consider as a matter. Okay, here I have written this. In our surrounding, varieties of things are there. Okay, their size, shape, color, everything is different. So whatever in your surrounding, that all things are included in matter. Second, when we see in our surrounding, so whatever you see in your surrounding is made up with specific thing, so that all things are included in matter. Third, the specific things which existence in our universe, and that is known as the matter, that is पदार्थ हम उसको बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो फूड बताया मैंने, रिवर्स, माउंटेन्स, ओके, मिनरल्स, whatever material we use in our daily life, that all things are included in matter. वो सब की सब चीजें बच्चों मैटर में इंक्लूड होती है. ओके, सो इन अर्ली ह्यूमन लाइफ he tried to understand the nature of matter around us. Okay, when human being was in its initial stage of civilization, when, because it's a nature of human being, he is very curious, he always try to know what is this, why this has happened, and due to that reason the birth of science has taken place. And when he saw in his surrounding, he becomes surprised to see the different kinds of matter. Why river is in liquid state? Why mountain is in solid state? Why wood is in solid state? Okay, why the food which he take, maybe it is semi-solid or liquid state? And all this curiosity make him to search toward the science, and he started to think about what is this exactly matter. Okay, when he observed this, all these things, slowly he started to develop his life. So he understood that whatever in our surrounding, it is made up by the 5 basic material, and our rishis called them panchatattva, 5 basic elements. So what are that exactly? That is air, means the vayu, earth, the prithvi, fire, agni, the sky, akash, and the water, means the jal. Okay, if you see whatever is there in, basically it is made up of all these things. So it is called the Panch Moolbhut Tattva. Even we say our body is also made up by this. And that is the reason when some person has passed away, we say कि उनका शरीर पंच तत्वों में विलीन हो गया. Means our body is also made up by this five element: Vayu, Prithvi, Agni, Akash and Jal. Okay, so that five basic element, that is known as Pancha Tattva. Even in Western countries, they also believe like that way. Basic, the initial level, the Greek philosopher like Ptolemy and all other Archimedes and so many other Greek philosophers were there. So they also believe the same thing. When broadly our ancestors, our scientists started to study about the matter, so they concluded that whatever matter is there, okay, whatever matter we say, it has some specific feature. What kind of feature it has? It has the feature that they occupy the place. They are a little heavy, so they have the mass, they have the volume, okay, and with that they understood more deeply their other properties, and according to that they divided that matter into two parts. One as per its physical characteristics, and second as per its chemical characteristics. Okay, when this concept has further studied, so at that time two different group or the thinking school has developed. One has believed that matter is like a block, and another was believed matter is like made up a particle of sand. Okay, for that you can do, you want to also know, so you can do one activity in your home under the observation of your parents. क्या कीजिए, दो ग्लास लीजिए और उसको आधा आधा पानी से भरिए. In one glass just put the sugar, lump of sugar, big sugar, okay, like we can say mishri, like that way. In another word, just put a spoon of salt and stir that. What will happen? Just see the result. Doesn't matter whether it is a big lump of sugar or the fine particles of salt. After some time, it will be completely dissolved in water. You know that very well. So by that, what we can say? So we can say, whatever the big material or small material, whatever is there, okay, it's the shape is too much minute, and such a minute that it is not able to see by our open eyes. That small crystal or the particle, that is the structure of matter. So it is we can say the particles of matter are so small that we are not able to see by our open eye. For that you can do one more experiment. Okay, you take one glass of water and dissolve it 3 to 4 tablespoons of Dettol and stir it properly, and half of the water you throw it and mix another water in that solution. You will see the color will little light, but whitish color you can see that. Again you throw out the half of water and again mix. After so long time, you will see the original color of water may be possible, you will see. Otherwise, certain particles of Dettol will be exist in the water. What it conclude, what it say? Okay, it say that the particles of matter so small that beyond our imagination, we can't imagine such a small particles are there. And this type of particles which we call matter, their characteristics, means the lakshan, the feature, that I am going to explain you in my next lecture. I hope you understood. I will send PDF of this. You write in your homework. Whenever we will meet personally, at that time we will I will check that and I will see how much you understood the topic. Okay, bye.